This is Scott again, and someone had a question about the blades not being able to cut through tall grass and seems like the blades were stalling, and I'll show you how to fix that. It's actually one of the more simpler fixes on this machine. To take the top off, you need 3/8 screw, 4 bolts, one back here, 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 and one sits over here, and that removes your covering. Another 3/8, these 2 screws, they sit on this guard right here. Take the guard off. Problem is, this belt right here is worn off. Bought this belt as a replacement at genuineparts.com. That's the part number that I used. Doesn't really matter where you buy it from. I think it's just a standard belt. I believe it's the same one I use on the X Mark also, so they're interchangeable. The way you fix this after you have this piece of hardware removed, the shield, just tilt the machine on the side so you can get to it. Need a pair of pliers. Bring this into the shade a little bit so there's less contrast. Okay, we're looking at the underneath of the machine. Right here on the transmission, there's a spring. Just want to remove that spring. So you just pull back on it. Pull back on it. It's hard to do with the camera. Oh, anyway, you can also torque this. But it's easiest if you just remove that, pull the spring out. It doesn't take much to pull it. I can't do it with this. Let me put this down. Once that spring is loosened, it's going to hang in the back. The transmission is now free to move. Once you're looking inside, the first one, the bottom belt that you see attached to the pulley, that goes to the transmission. Just slip that off. Next belt is just going to pull it. As you can see, it's off. Come back to the front. Take it off here. Now you can remove it through here. Sorry about the shakiness. You can just pull this out all the way. And you just snake the new one in, same thing. You put this side on first. And then this one will fit back on. That's it. Put the drive belt back on. Make sure when you put it back on, it's wrapped around the pulley on the transmission also. Hook your spring back up for the tensioner on the transmission, and you're good to go. Put everything back together through 3/8, and that's it. Hope this helped you. Bye.